Well, tall claims by AAP that action will be taken against Bibhav. AAP leader Sanjay Singh claimed, remember, he first admitted that yes, there was an assault and that Bibhav misbehaved with Swati Maliwal and action will be taken against him. Now, on Wednesday, Sanjay Singh also personally went to the residence of Swati Maliwal. But Times Now has accessed pictures that show Bibhav continues to enjoy the support of AAP Supremo and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. What is shocking is that in this picture, you can also see Sanjay Singh with Bibhav. This picture is from Lucknow airport, is what we're given to understand that yesterday evening, Arvind Kejriwal reached Lucknow and that's when this picture was taken. He was accompanied by both Sanjay Singh and Bibhav Kumar. Kejriwal is set to hold a press conference, a joint press conference with Akhilesh Yadav today. Tetri is joining us with more details. Tetri, after admitting that yes, Swati Maliwal was assaulted, after admitting that strict action will be taken, Sanjay Singh and Arvind Kejriwal can be seen with the accused.
Well, yes, and in fact, that was a 90-second press conference that was held by Sanjay Singh, and in fact, Sanjay Singh was called from Mumbai to Delhi in Aam Aadmi Party office to hold this particular press conference where he had clearly mentioned that the party has taken, the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has taken the cognizance of this particular matter and that strict action will be taken against Bibhav Kumar and that Swati Maliwal, who is an honorable Rajya Sabha member, I quote unquote Sanjay Singh saying that Swati Maliwal is an honorable Rajya Sabha member and that she has always taken a stand and has raised issues that pertains to national concern and women's safety as well. So strict action will be taken against Bibhav Kumar. Now the question over here certainly is that what are the action taken against him? Now BJP is raising guns against Aam Aadmi Party so as to why Bibhav Kumar is seen with Arvind Kejriwal and Sanjay Singh and with what capacity. If he has been removed as PS, he has been terminated from the services as PS by the Vigilance Department few weeks back. So with what capacity is he going and can be seen in the pictures. Remember that today is the joint press conference of Arvind Kejriwal and Akhilesh Yadav. So certainly now questions will be raised as to why Bibhav Singh can be seen and with what capacity.
Absolutely. No action against Bibhav Kumar. Also no word yet from Swati Maliwal. Tetri, stay on with us. It's more than 70 hours since Swati Maliwal dialed the police control room to report an alleged assault by Chief Minister's PA inside the Chief Minister's residence. But we've heard no word from her as yet. She hasn't even been spotted ever since the assault saga came to fore. Day before yesterday, AAP MP Sanjay Singh issued a 2-minute statement admitting that the Chief Minister's PA, Bibhav Kumar, did misbehave with Swati Maliwal. Sanjay Singh said that Swati Maliwal had gone to Arvind Kejriwal's residence to meet him and while she was waiting in the drawing room, Bibhav Kumar misbehaved with her and was indecent with her.
कल एक बहुत ही निंदनीय घटना घटित हुई जिसके बारे में आप सबको बताना चाहता हूं। कल सुबह अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के आवास पर स्वाति मालीवाल जी मिलने के लिए पहुंची थी, ड्राइंग रूम में इंतजार कर रही थी। इस बीच बिभव कुमार जी वहां पे आते हैं और उन्होंने स्वाति मालीवाल जी के साथ बहुत बदतमीजी की, अभद्रता की। इस पूरे मामले की जानकारी 112 नंबर पे कॉल करके स्वाति मालीवाल जी ने पुलिस को दी। इस घटना की जितनी निंदा की जाए कम है। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने पूरी घटना को संज्ञान में लिया है और इस पूरे मामले में सख्त कार्रवाई करने को कहा है। जहां तक स्वाति मालीवाल जी का प्रश्न है, स्वाति मालीवाल जी ने देश के लिए, समाज के लिए बड़े काम किए हैं। पार्टी की पुरानी और सीनियर लीडर में से एक हैं। हम सब उनके साथ हैं और निश्चित रूप से ये जो पूरा प्रकरण हुआ है इसको मुख्यमंत्री जी ने गंभीरता में संज्ञान में लिया है और इस पे कार्रवाई करेंगे। आम आदमी पार्टी ऐसे लोगों का समर्थन नहीं करती है, ये स्पष्ट करना चाहता हूं।
Meanwhile, we're getting some breaking inputs now amid this mystery over Maliwal assault gate. Akhilesh Yadav says truth will come out today. In fact, Akhilesh Yadav is also hinting that this could be raked up during the joint briefing. He says we'll hold joint briefing with the Aam Aadmi Party. Let's listen into that comment.
ये क्या घटना हुई है उसकी मुझे सच्चाई में जानकारी नहीं है। हमारी और अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की जॉइंट प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस है, मैं समझता हूँ वो बात सामने आ जाएगी कि सच्चाई क्या थी। नहीं, महिला की सुरक्षा विषय है, लेकिन जो ये विषय एक ही पार्टी के बीच का है और एक ही पार्टी की सांसद है, एक ही पार्टी से वो संबंध रखती हैं, क्या कारण रहा होगा जिसकी वजह से ये बात सामने आई है, वो तभी जान सकते हैं जब हम जानकारी कर लें। अभी मैं उस पर टिप्पणी नहीं कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन महिला सुरक्षा में तो आंकड़े जो बताते हैं उत्तर प्रदेश सबसे पीछे खड़ा है।